So I have a couple of things I want to share with you guys. Let's get into it. Hi guys, so I want to get into some of the stuff I just recently purchased. Everything that you're going to see today came from Amazon. I will put the prices and things in the description so you guys can go pick them up for yourself if you would like to. My son is in the other room with my husband, so if you hear him whining or running around or something hitting the floor, it's probably him, so don't be alarmed by that. As usual, I have my Germ-X and my scissors over here because I am still, and my household is still very conscious of COVID and what's going on around us in the world. So I try to make sure that we sanitize and keep things as sterile and safe as possible. These packages have been here for a couple of days, but I don't want to, take a chance. So let's get into some of these packages. So I'm going to start with a package, one of the little envelopes. Let's see what's in here. I don't know what's in each individual package, you guys, just because it all came at once. So I ordered it all at once and it all came to my door at the same time. So I don't know what's in each individual thingy, but I will show you as I open it. Oh, this is a dress. So, nailed it. All right. I trust more what's inside of the packages than the outside of the packages, because the stuff that's been inside the packages has been packaged and sitting and waiting for who knows how long. So the first thing is a dress. This is the package. So I really wanted something that was loose and kind of flowy, that I could just lounge around and it's really comfortable. And that's why I got this dress. It's just a really long, kind of like a t-shirt dress. I don't know. It goes off of one shoulder, and it has like slits on both sides of the legs. And it's really soft. I like this type of material. It's really soft to the skin, which is great, because some stuff irritates my skin, but this seems like it will not. So let's get into another one. We'll do this envelope here. Let's see. Oh, I know what this is. Okay. So here I have some liquid eyeliner. I am trying my hardest to take more time for myself, and not just myself, but my appearance and me time. So I bought myself some liquid mascara, which I had none of, which is really weird that I didn't have any liquid mascara. Not mascara, excuse me, eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. And this was only a couple dollars, and it's in pitch black. So I will link this, and then this I'm excited about because I typically don't wear a lot of bright colors. So this is another kind of loose shirt dress type of thing. And on the front of it, it says, "I am Black woman, beautiful, magic, intelligent, resilient, love, innovative, powerful, influential, and unapologetic." Unapologetic. And this is what it looks like. It's kind of like a shirt dress as well, but I just thought the words were really nice, and that's something I need to say to myself every day, kind of to inspire myself and motivate myself as well. So I like this shirt. I will link the prices from around somewhere so you guys can see them. So for the last package, not the last package, the last envelope. Ooh, okay, so I ordered some magnetic eyelashes. Trying to get some where you guys can see without the glare. And it's like a big pack of them. I want to say it's like, okay, here we got 2 tubes of magnetic eyeliner, 5 pairs of magnetic eyelashes, and 1 eyelash applicator. I had pretty good reviews, and like I said, I have a hard time with eyelashes, not gonna lie to you guys. So I really wanted to try something different, and I think those will work out better for me than me trying to figure out how to do them manual, I guess, with the glue, because I suck at that. I suck. So now I'm gonna open one of these boxes, probably this one, because this is the lightest box I got. Okay, so these actually were ordered a couple days ago, and they actually got here faster than I expected, like much faster than I expected. So these are my pillowcases for Valentine's Day. So I ordered a set of 4 and a set of 2 because I have so many couch pillows. I like this material better than the other ones. So this is the first one. It's kind of like a globe, but it's just kind of the blush color. Here's another. And this one has love written all over it. It just says love over and over again. And then this second pack of, sorry about that. So the rest of the pillowcases, they were a separate, 2 separate companies, I believe. But these are more like velvet. They're really soft. But it's 2, this came in a 2-pack. It's kind of just like a lighter blush pink as well. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do the couch yet because I think I'm gonna put one of those pillows in our bedroom, on our bed. I think it's gonna be one of these actually. I don't know, I'm trying to think it through before I do it, but I know I wanted some blush pillow covers for my family room up there to cover up those pillows. Next, we're gonna get into one of these boxes. I think I'm gonna do this one. I already know what it is because it says it on the side of the box, but I'll just open these wide and so yes, I can. Okay. It's a yoga mat. And I got the mat because when I do my workouts at home, I noticed I was getting like carpet burn on my forearms from doing planks and up downs and all that stuff. So I decided to get a yoga mat because I'm just tired of getting my body all beat up trying to work out. And this mat was like 20 bucks because I ordered a thicker mat, right? Because some of the mats are really thin, like thin, and it's like you're laying on the floor. So I ordered this yoga mat, you guys. I got it in a purple or a violet, excuse me. There is a design on it and it's 1/2 inch thick. You see how thick it is? It's 1/2 inch thick. And hold on, I'm just gonna open it all the way up. I keep forgetting the Germex, you guys. Now I gotta poke another hole somewhere else. But you see there's a thing on it to kind of roll it back up and keep it secure so it's not just flopping around all loosey-goosey in the closet. And then you can kind of see that design on it. This is what it looks like. That's the pattern. But it is really soft, you guys. And that's what I was wanting. Something that was a little bit more cushion because I got so tired of scratching up my arms and things and my knees hurting trying to get up and down off the floor. And I was doing it on the rug and on a towel and things like that, but it was just still too thin. And it was really causing an issue with my back when I had to do, you know, things that required me to put my feet up in the air or move around on my back. This mat's gonna come in handy, especially since I'm about to kick it into high gear with my workouts again. Now, the final thing I ordered is the heaviest of the boxes, you guys. I kind of struggled to even get it into the room. And it's not so much that it's crazy heavy, it's just trying to move it, it's complicated, right? And the last thing I ordered are weights. Just some light dumbbells for, hold on, for some of my workouts. Now this dumbbell set comes with, I'll just show it to you. I don't even know what some of this stuff is, but I'm gonna just cut it on open. Weights are a lot more expensive than they used to be. I used to go into like Walmart and stuff and see the little dumbbells, and they were like not expensive really at all. But these, just one set of weights was like 20, 30 bucks, and I was like, what? So here is the little kit to assemble, I'm guessing the stand, because these weights come with 3 sets of weights, and it comes with a stand for the weights to sit on. So that's probably what that flat thing is on the bottom. So I'm gonna open the first set of weights. And there's not so much there, just, I haven't lifted weights. We've been lifting weights, you guys, like at all. I pretty much got away from weightlifting after I stopped playing ball. But I don't like that my arms aren't as toned up anymore as they used to be, or since I haven't been doing like squats or anything, my butt doesn't look well. I want it to look the way, I mean, it looks fine, but I know it can look better. So these are the 3-pound weights here. I'll show them to you. And these are blue, but they are 3 pounds. But you can see the 3 pound in there. There's 2. And then the next one, people buy like, oh my goodness, you used to be an athlete, you're only gonna get 3 pounds. Listen, when you're starting out with your weights and lifting again, do not jump in going heavy all the time. You can pull a muscle, you can hurt yourself. It's not, and I could do heavier weights, but these aren't necessarily for like curls and things like that. This is more for the things when you have your arms straight out and you're rolling them around and things, which if you do those, you know that your arms get tired really quickly and those weights get really heavy really fast. So it's important that you do a weight that's safe for you, especially when you're in a specific situation like me, where you're trying to start again. You don't want to jump in too hardcore and mess around and pull something in your arm or your shoulder. Okay. These are 5-pound weights, and they're blue. Also a set of 2. And then the last one, heavier than the bottom. These are the last weights. And the reason why I'm doing home weights, you guys, is because of the fact that I do not go to a gym. We don't go to a gym. So we're kind of slowly building our home workout equipment. And this is helping me do that. So these are 8-pound weights. They are orange, but also I set up 2. Whew, all right. And the final thing that comes in this thing, in this kit, is the stand, which I will be assembling shortly. Just because I want to go ahead and get everything set up and put out the way, so that when my son comes around, he's not all in the business, you know, getting into stuff. Alright, you guys, so here it is all set up. There's my yoga mat as well. I'm going to leave it sitting up here because I think this may be a good space for me to work out. See, it's like an open space there in front of a lot of natural sunlight, which is great for me. So it's all set up and it looks good. And I think my next purchase needs to be a desk for me to kind of set up and have a space designated to me working, doing my videos and things, because I've been bouncing around a lot. I don't really like bouncing around like that. So I need a space just for me to set up, do videos. So y'all don't gotta see me in like 12 different rooms every time I do a video. All right, you guys, but this concludes this video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments if there's anything that you have any questions about, and I'll make sure to answer those for you guys. I will leave in the description a link to all of these products so you can purchase them for yourselves. Thank you again for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.